This alert is sent from the Ohio Department at 9 o'clock Pacific Time. And child known as Joey Hooksville has been missing after coming back from school. It was unknown of why she got abducted. The last time she was seen was wearing a green shirt, yellow pants, a blue cap and black shoes. If you see a child with these followings, call 911, as the child can be returned to its family. This is sent from the Nevada Police Department at 5 o'clock Eastern Time. And figure that is confirmed as an Catman-like creature is attacking citizens in Nevada. Characteristics will follow as drooling blood, glaring white eyes, pink skin, white gloves and violence actions. The creature's name still remains unknown, as it attacks any animal in its path. If you are in Las Vegas or nearby cities, lock all doors and windows. Stay silent and turn off all lights. From getting killed by this creature, if it enters your home, run away as fast as you can. Killing it will put you at risk, as it is hard to kill. This is a dangerous situation. Panicking will make this worse. Stay calm, and stay away from this creature. Stay tuned for further updates. This is from the Utah government. At 4 o'clock Western Time, a dog that is known as Victora, but evil, is attacking thousands of people. Her characteristics are reversed color, reversed eyes and deadly powers. Witnesses say this entity is a friend with the pink cat monster that was attacking Nevada hours ago. Some cameras show that they were planning of something, which is identified as making an explosive package that sends toxic chemicals into the air. Rumors say they may be doing it at Salt Lake City or at San Francisco, California. All citizens must evacuate. Stay tuned for further updates. This is from the San Francisco Department. At 11 o'clock Western Time. The evil Victora and the pink cat monster, that is classified as reversed Victora and nightmare decrane, which are created in Brazil, has placed an explosive package on the Golden Gate Bridge that releases toxic chemicals on explosion. If you are on the bridge, evacuate the structure. Nearby residents must evacuate as well. Stay tuned for further updates. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 3 p.m. Standard Time, the package that was placed on the Golden Gate Bridge by Reverse Victoria and Nightmare Decrane has exploded, sending toxic chemicals in the air. The explosion made the Golden Gate Bridge collapse in the process. Residents at a 100 radius must go in a fallout shelter. Take water, blankets, resources and a radio to provide you with more information. If you want to evacuate, You must require a gas mask to go outside. Going outside without a gas mask will give you risk, as the contagious air can kill you. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not panic, as panicking will make this situation worse. Stay tuned for further updates. This is from the New York Department. Earthquake with a magnitude of 10.1 is generated. The cause led to reverse Victoria and nightmare decrane. If you're inside, go under a table, from getting hurt. If you're outside, run away from buildings, as they might collapse and falling debris might kill you. Stay tuned for further updates. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 10 o'clock standard time, a mega tsunami is generated, reaching about 1,000 miles per hour. This is due from the 10.1 earthquake we encountered an hour ago. We request you to evacuate immediately. If you don't evacuate, you will face certain death. This is a dangerous situation. This is not a test. At 4 o'clock reverse Victoria and nightmare decrane are attacking the whole world. There is no hope. Go into panic mode. This is the end. God bless you all. This is an emergency action termination. Reverse Victoria and nightmare decrane are defeated. Now everything is back to normal. There is a lot of damage on the world. That is going to take lots of years to repair. We thank you for your cooperation.